Cells are the smallest living units of an organism, and all cells share three main parts. Cell membrane, which separates the inside of the cell from its surroundings. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance inside the cell. DNA, the cell's genetic material that tells the cell what to do. There are two main types of cells: eukaryotic cells. These are more complex cells, like those in plants and animals. They have organelles, specialized parts inside, including a nucleus that holds DNA. Prokaryotic cells. These cells are simpler and do not have a nucleus or membrane-covered organelles. Bacteria are examples of prokaryotic cells. What are organelles? Organelles are like little organs inside the cell, each with a specific job. Some important organelles include nucleus, the control center of the cell, holding the cell's DNA. DNA gives instructions on how the cell works and when to divide. Inside the nucleus, chromatin is the tangled form of DNA, and it becomes organized into chromosomes when the cell divides. The nucleolus inside the nucleus makes ribosomes, which are essential for protein production. Ribosomes, they either float freely in the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes make proteins, and they can attach to the RUFA, while the smooth does not have ribosomes. They acts like a transport system, moving materials like proteins to other parts of the cell. Golgi apparatus, Golgi body. After proteins are made, they move to the Golgi, which packages and customizes them into usable forms. It can add extra parts like lipids or carbohydrates to the proteins. Vacuoles. These are storage sacs for materials. In plant cells, the central vacuole holds water, helping to maintain cell structure. Lysosomes, known as the cell's garbage collectors. They break down old or damaged parts inside the cell. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. They produce ATP energy during a process called cellular respiration. Cells that need more energy, like muscle cells, have more mitochondria. Cytoskeleton. This gives the cell its shape. It's made of microfilaments, protein threads, and microtubules, hollow tubes. Chloroplasts, found only in plant cells, these organelles help with photosynthesis, turning sunlight into energy. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color. Cell wall. In plant cells, the cell wall provides structure, support, and protection. Animal cells do not have cell wall. Some cells have specific features, cilia, hair-like projections found in the human respiratory tract. They help trap dirt and particles from the air and expel them when you cough. Flagella, a tail-like structure in some bacteria and sperm cells. Flagella help the cell move.